I'm Katie with WTI, and I am just down here trying to hide how dirty my kitchen is. I barely have time to keep my kitchen clean, let alone cook an entire meal when I have a really busy day. And that's why I love having a crock pot. I can stick all of my food in here in the morning, go about my day, run my errands, do the things that I need to do, get work done, and then by evening it is all done for me. And it does it without heating up my kitchen. I love the simplicity of using this. All you have to do is turn this knob and it does what you need it to do. So you can choose between low heat or high heat, and then there's also the function to just keep it warm. So I love being able to use this for soups. I've even made carnitas in my crock pot, and you can even make great warm beverages in here as well. Can you say spiced rum? Talk about yummy. If you haven't tried crock pot cooking and you are a busy person or maybe just a lazy person, then you should definitely check out one of these crock pots. And that's my point of view.